Hey everybody, I wanted to record a little video here and try some new software, but basically I wanted to make sure we could go through a simple problem here, one of the easy problems from the homework. I really like this problem. I find it to be very indicative of what I think you'll actually use probability for. And what I think you'll actually use probability for is proportion. So honestly, we've already been doing a lot of this. We just have to be careful with how we do it. So you'll see here on the screen, in a survey of 303 people, the following data were obtained relating to gender and political orientation. The first question is, a person is randomly selected. What is the probability that a person is male? So what we're going to do here, probability is all about the number of people that fall in that set divided by the total number. So all I have to do is figure out how many males there are and how many total people there are. Well, I know there's 303 people because it says that really clearly, right? So all that I'm left to do is say, well, how many were male? This is also already provided. The total number of males is sitting here in this two-way table. So really simply, I just have to do 171 divided by 303. So let's hit submit and check our answer there. Looks like we're correct. Notice how many decimal places it gives. I really like just having WeBWorK do these. You can do it in Excel and copy and paste. But what about the next one? A male and a Democrat. So we need to be both things at the same time. The only people that are both at the same time are these 76. So again, I'm going to do 76 divided by 303. Okay, now the next one is a little harder. This is a given. We want to know a male given that the person is a Democrat. So we're starting by only considering the Democrats. And then we want to know what's the probability that they're a male. So I'm not going to divide by 303 this time. I am going to take the 76 male and Democrats, but I'm going to divide by the total number of Democrats. Let's go ahead and show you guys that that's correct. I like to show that it's correct. There you go. So when you have this given, you really have to consider only the people that are given. I could only consider people that are in this row. I don't count the independents. I don't count the Republicans. Now this one, next one, asks a Republican given that the person is male. So in that one, I'm only going to consider the people that are male here. And I'm going to be looking for the Republicans. In that one, there happen to be 76 Republicans out of the 171 that are male. Last one here is a female given that the person is an independent. So there's 31 independents and 12 female and independents. So this one is going to be 12 divided by 31. Remember, we want to divide by the total number that fall in that category. So I'm going to hit submit. Get my full marks. There you go. All right, so when you're doing these conditional probabilities, and that's what I'm doing here when I have the given, we got to be careful and make sure we divide by the right thing. Now, I have given you a different formula, but the way I'm doing it here is not incorrect. I've reduced the fraction. So when I do this given, I'm going to consider only, on this first given here, male that is a Democrat, we consider only the Democrats because that was the given. So I can't look at anybody else. All right, happy studying, guys.